Hey there, let's make a Kizz Daniel type beat in FL Studio. If you are ready, hit the subscribe button and let's get it started. Alright, let's start with our beat making. I'll be starting with the drum. So I want one of the drum in this control groove drum to inspire me, to bring up the inspiration behind everything I'll be doing today. So I'll be using one of these. So let me just preview some of the drum, then I'll pick the one I'm feeling the vibe more. So let me just preview some of the drum. Everything sounds great and very nice. Whew. I love this. Yeah, I think I'm doing this. It fits to any tempo that you drop it into. But the tempo of this is 105. So let me just set my project to 105. Choo! So this is Kaya drum loop 2. So I'll just go to the stems and copy out the stems. So let's have our chord melody. So I'll be playing my chord melody with lounge jitter and I'll be on the key of F. This is our piano roll on the key of F. So I'll be playing from my MIDI. Then let's record. I'll open the piano roll to see what I have played and just quantize it very well so that I can be on the grid. Ctrl Q on Windows. Okay, so I can duplicate this by highlighting this and Ctrl B. So we have it in 4 bars. So that is good. That's good. I can just copy and paste this. Let me paste this throughout the 16 bars. Alright, we have our chord melody on the drum and sounding good. Another thing I feel like I should add is a jitter, and I'll be making my jitter melodies with ample jitter. So all you need to do is just to record this is you have to record on a new pattern, and you can do that by coming to your pattern mode and change it to pattern 2. And we can record our jitter into this second pattern. So let me start by recording. That sounds great. Let's open and quantize. Have our jitter. Very simple. Another thing I feel like we should add is a counter chord. So I'll be playing this counter chord from Tritone Extreme Soundtour. That's the preset I'll be using from the jitter preset. So now let's record our counter chord. So we have our counter chord. So let's listen to it. Then we can duplicate this into 4 bars using Ctrl B. So let's see how it sounds together with the chord melody and the jitter melody. Okay, next thing to do now is just to look for some ambient sound that can blend and give the whole beat color. And I'll be doing that using Contact. I have this duet library that sounds so good. So I'll be using this preset called Pin Cushion. Sounds like a pluck but has some ambient in it. So I'll be using this sound to add more melodies to the vibe we have already. Let's record our fourth melody and our fourth pattern with that sound from duet. So I have this melody. I might want to adjust the note properly so that it can blend with the melody very well, so I can blend into the groove very well. I love that, it's sounding good. So I have this sound from duet again. From duet, Contact library, tap on it, that is the name of this preset. So I'll be using this preset for another ambient melody. So I'll record a new pattern 5, and I'll record. So I'll just pick the last bar I played. I'll pick this and I'll work on it. Everything is sounding good and I love what we have achieved with this drum loop. Let's add more melodies. So we have another sound from duet again, and the name of the preset is Cave Skipping. So let's play around and come up with a good melody with this sound. So let me record our pattern 6. That's so sweet, man. So we have some nice melody in here already. I think everything is sounding very good, and what I'll just do is just to add my bass. So let's add our bass. Our bass will be in a new pattern 8. So we have our bass. My bass preset is from this plugin called Hive, and I'm using this preset called AZ Dirty 808 Boom. That is what I'm using for this bass, and this is the final result of my bass. Alright, let's arrange what we have here, and I will be back to preview the final beats with you guys. Alright, our beat has been arranged and we have a full beat now. So I'll play the result for you, but first let me show you the few things I added. I had this effect sound in the intro, just to have some sweet movement in the intro. Then I added this roll to transit in different section of the song, and that crash clap. I think that is whole of everything I have done. Then the beat starts with the intro to the verse. We have a hook, then the chorus, then a small bridge, 4-bar bridge, then the chorus, the verse again comes in, and the outro. So let me just preview everything. I'll play the intro. This is the intro. And this is our verse. Then to our hook. Then we have our chorus. Then we have a 4-bar bridge after the chorus. Then the verse continues, then the hook again, and this is how the outro of the song sound. So basically, this is everything we have in these beats. So if this video has been helpful to you, kindly hit the like and subscribe button for more tricks and for more tutorials. And as I sign out, I'll be previewing the beats.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.